Hello guys, today we will look about how to remove trash from your Android. So hello guys, my name is Pooja and you are watching Gossip Funda. So let's not waste our time for it. Let's go. Step 1. Clearing your cache data. First, what is cache data? It's an intermediary data saved by your device to optimize your experience. While it does make your usage faster, it takes up memory on your phone that you can use for other purposes. So, if you need to delete your cache data to free up some space, here how to do it. First of all, open the settings of your phone, and in this click on applications and permissions and click on app manager. In this you will find all your app of your phone. Click on any app that you want to clear cache of it. Click on it. And then you will find an option of internal storage. In this, you will click on Clear Cache. Step 3. Uninstalling unused apps. We all have apps on our phones that we don't use anymore. Ask yourself if you need them. If you need to clear out some memory, uninstall the unnecessary apps that fill up your storage. To uninstall unused apps, follow these steps. First, go to Settings of your phone and then Application and Permissions. Click on App Manager and then you can find all the apps. Click the app you want to delete. And then click on it. Here you can find an option of uninstall. Click on this. Step 3. Deleting downloads files. Majority of us download files and forget about it. Even if you don't use them, they still take up some of your internal memory. To clear up your storage, you need to delete them. Just go to your download folder. For this, click on File Manager and then you can find an option of download. Here you can find all your downloaded files. Click on the one you want to get rid of and then click on the delete. That's it. Isn't it easy? Step 4. Third-party apps. There are plenty of apps that you can use to optimize your device. But if you want to empty trash on Android, then I recommended the simplest ones. All you need is an app that you can organize and arrange all of your data. Also, as a countermeasure, I decided to include this app so you can recover any deleted files. Open the Play Store app and then in the search box, search for Google Files. Click on Install. After installing, open the app and allow access to manage all files. In the Clean section, you will find an option of cleaning junk files. That's it. Now, to recover your cache data, Step 1. Google Photos app. Grab your Android device and launch the Photos app. In this, click on the library icon and then you can find an option of trash. Select the trash you want to restore. Your backup items will be permanently deleted after 16 days in trash. And here you restored your data. Now, step 2 is Stock Gallery app. Open your gallery or the album app. And in this, you can find an option of recently deleted at the bottom. Click on it. Here you can find all your recently deleted data. Click the one you want to restore. And it isn't easy. That's it, guys. There's a link of our website in the description box. Do check this out. And I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share this with your loved ones. And subscribe Gossip Funda.